Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys something simple. Putting line on a baitcaster. Usually I would use tape, but me personally, I don't use tape. I run it through the little holes that's inside the spool, this thing here, for the newcomers. I run it through those holes, just enough so that I can start cranking on it. First thing you definitely want to do is make sure you get it through all the guides. This is actually a telescopic rod. And because it's telescopic, I got it down on the short end so that I could run it through easier versus running it the long way. These bugs or these nets are really out of control. Also, I have the line and a spool box. You can get those at Bass Pro Shop, Amazon. They run from anywhere from $6 to about 12 bucks. I think on Amazon they're on sale for $6. Man, these nets are crazy. Okay, so now that I got it down, all of the net spool is actually a little bit too big for the spool box. But now that I got it down, the actual reel, I'll expand it once I get everything squared away. Run it through your line guide, or where the line's going to run through the inside there. If you could see that, hopefully. And then you put a piece of tape on the spool, but in my case, like I said, I like to run it through the little holes, which takes some time, so definitely will cut that part out. Because getting it to run through there perfectly is kind of hard. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do a shortcut. I'm gonna take the side plate off. The Metanium 2020 side plate slides off easily. That's just it. There you got the spool. Now, the trick that I'm gonna do is make sure you run it through here so that it's coming out of there. And in my case, I'm just gonna slide it through each of those holes. So you get a good catch, and it goes around through there pretty easily. Pull up your slack. Show you the line is just about almost on. Re-put your spool back together. Make sure you got a hold of that. Okay, make sure your line's good and tight. Put your side plate back on, lock it. Each side plate to each reel is completely different. This is the Metanium 2020. The side plate is really different. Make sure your drag is good and tight. You just swirl it up. What I'm I'm putting on here is 30 pounds power frame. And I'm gonna have a fluorocarbon leader. And also, when you put your line on, you want it to be kind of even right with the line guide, so straight across, and that should do it. The next thing I want to go over is casting. I am going to cut this line with my product. Makes for easy situations like these. Just boom, cut.